emotions getting louder, and the air's escaping as I hear the billows roll. How did I end up here? Don't wanna go from here. Lord, save me from this place I'm in. You're the reason why I'm alive today. Lord, I owe it all to you. There are times I never thought I'd see the light of day, but you came to my rescue. Although I walk through the valley, I will not fear 'cause you're with me. Even if you stuck out 'cause you hold me, you keep me from falling. The storm's raging, no matter 'cause I know that you're with me. I'm hidden under the wings of your spirit. In you there is no fear. Only faith lives in here. Lord, in your secret place I dwell. You're the reason why I'm alive today. Lord, I owe it all to you. There are times I never thought I'd see the light of day, but you came to my rescue. You're the reason why I am alive. There would be no me without you. You're the reason why I'm alive. I know I can count on you. You made me just like you. Every step I take in your shoes. That is why I know feet tire. I know feet retire. Apple of your eye, best of your design. Yeah. For your purpose, yes, you created me. For your purpose, that is why I exist. Wonderfully, beautifully made. Wonderfully, in your holy image. Wonderfully, Lord, my life you separate for your glory. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, I know I can. I know I can, I can. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, I can. I know I can, I can. I will keep second guessing myself when you put me on the spot.
What's up? What's up? Chat, what's up, chat? Oh, Sing, how you doing? Happy New Year, brother. All right.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I'll never defend myself or approval from strangers. when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too.
Check. Hey, whoa.
Chat, drop the energies in the chat. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat. Shout out to 5 viewers right now. Drop the energies in the chat. Let's go. Come on.
I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. Anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself. Ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know that God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for.
Alright, gang. Alright. I'm so happy I'm a lovely day. What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? How goes performing? I haven't checked the charts in the holiday until now. Wow, nice. The gold is rising up. The gold is pushing up. We made a new all-time high. So yeah, let's see. We're gonna do tap down today. All right, let me do the tap down here, chat. Let me do. All right, so right now we have valid resistance form here, right? So the previous resistance is up here on price. As you can see, we have a valid resistance here, but we made the new resistance form candle closure yesterday, right? As you can see, and we have a new support. Support form is here. And we still have range to fill down. This is gonna be a clean traffic, and as you can see, we have some gap here that we need to be filled. I don't know if we're gonna fill today tomorrow there is an NFP, so we might see, right? We might see a wick fill. I mean the gap fill on the weekly candle open. So we need to at least fill this gap and decides where's the price gonna head, right? And yeah, let's see. We have a closure, we have a resistance form, and the candle move. We rebroke the previous candle low. So I'm expecting once the candle, once we rebroke the previous candle low, that's a different story. So there is a high chance that this candle can rip down heavy today like this, or close probably bearish like this today, right? But let's see. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So we might see some. Okay, so we have a structure here on price. As you can see, we have a resistance form. The candles are printing side by side. Doesn't look good, as you can see, right? We have too many wicks on this candle, and yeah, we have a support right here. And as you can see, we tap the support and then we react, right? So this gonna be, I believe this is gonna be a little bit tough, once we reach once again here, because if there is a candle close probably below on the next 4 hour, yeah, we might see some drop here, right? We might see some, volume move down, continues to move down, because you have a clean traffic to move down. This is gonna be a clean traffic to move down. This one, right? It's let's see how many pip move range. It's almost 900 pip range, right? To move down heavy. Let's see if we gonna close probably below 4414 on the 4 hour 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour time frame, we got what we got here: resistance form, or I'm gonna use this as our resistance. We got support form here. As you can see, we rebroke the structure here, broke the structure. Now we have a new support form right here, right? New support form, and anything, right? Any closure probably below, it's gonna move down. We know that we have a direction for the day. We rebroke the previous candle low on the daily. So we might see some, huge drop probably. We have a news today. Yeah, we have a news. 5:30 p.m. Dubai time. It's an unemployment claims. I don't think that it's gonna have a big impact. It's a big candle, no. Probably tomorrow. Yeah, it's NFP tomorrow. So yeah, be careful tomorrow. So yeah, excuse me. That's the 1 hour time frame. 30 minutes, it looks the same. We got here support, right? Resistance, or we have a resistance here. So structure, as you can see, we going up is a little bit choppy for me, because we have levels here that we need to be aware of, levels that we need to be aware of. So let's see. If this is a good range to trade, yeah, I might take some buys here too. But for me, I'm gonna look for more sells than buy, because of a clean traffic towards to the downside. Any closure probably below, it's good to move down. As you can see, we have a clean traffic here on the left hand side. This is gonna be clean traffic, but let's see if we're gonna move down, right? Let's see. Give me a second, chat. All right, so gonna mark my levels. Damn. Oh, clean traffic here too, but no bottom wick. Yeah, it's 100 pip range. Let's see. All right, so this is the 30 minutes, probably resistance. Because in the 15, yeah, we have a resistance form here. I use the 15. All right. It's 5, it's 15. We need to use 15. Yeah. So I'm gonna mark this as overall range first, and let's see what will happen here once we close probably below. Right, chat. So yeah, this is gonna be my level so far. I'm gonna this I'm gonna look for observations, probably zone here on this kind of scenario because we have a candle close but no bottom wick here. It's gonna be a good interest of this candle once we you know probably close and then close probably another candle like this, right? So we have new support form, the candle close below. Yeah, we might see some drop and take that trade. So yeah, let's see. There's a lot of volume today. Let's see. Let's see, gang. Let's see. Haven't take any trade yet. I mean, I on the stream. On the stream, we haven't take any trade yet on stream, but I took trades yesterday. I took some sales yesterday. That's the first trade of the year off stream. Let's see again. Shout out to 14 viewers right now. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Drop it in the chat. Let's go. Let me know in the chat. Oh, Arlie's gonna close in 1 minute. 30 minutes gonna close too. Hey, we have a huge wick. I'm not interested yet on selling here. I need to see. I'm still on my observation zone. But we have clean traffic to move down, We have a 100 pip move. We have 100 pip range. Let's see if we're gonna move. Did you lose some weight? Yeah, I lose a lot. I lose weight, dog. I lose weight. So yeah, I'm happy that I'm back of being fit. That's the goal since I start working out last 2025. And we need to maintain that thing. All right, candle close. Damn. We need to be aware of on this kind of wicks on the left hand side. We need to be patient. But if this candle close like a good body candle, man, we're in here. If this candle close like this, yeah, we might, take the sell to move down. But it's doji closure. You know that when the candle close doji because of this no bottom wick, no range to move down. Now we're gonna wait. That's not good for you, man. W, thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Gang, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Oh, we rebroke the lows now. Holy. Rebroke the lows. But we have a support form here on the left. Yeah, on the 30. And the range is getting small. 26 pip range. Don't want to take that. We need the price actions first. Price actions. Probably closure below here. Yeah, below this body. If this candle close below, yeah, that's different story. We might take the cells going down. So we can grab the wick fills. Wick fills. Let's see, let's see. Patience, patience, man, patience. Dun, dun, dun. Do. Impulse entry. Oh man. Impulse entry. Right? Would you look at that? We tap a support on the 304426. Look at that. How the candles react. Look at that, man. Huge reactions. Huge reactions. Would you look at that? Let's see. We have our reactions now. We have our reactions. London Open now. It's London Open. Let's see if we're gonna move. London Open. Six minutes for candle to close. 6 minutes for candle to close. What's up, Reese? How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, we have a reactions on the 30. This one. Yeah, pretty tough. On the dot. Holy. 71 pip. On the dot. Top support. Damn, move up. Top support and move up. Mm-hmm. Bro, what happens again if it closes on the top or bottom? So, look at this. If we close above, there is a high chance that we can move up. And if we close below, there is a high chance that we can move down because of the clean traffic towards to the downside and towards to the upside. That's the probability. But I can, I can use this range too. Range 1 inside the range inside the this range, I can use that too because we have a clean traffic to move down, as you can see, right? So yeah, let's see. Oh, 30 minutes is moving down once again here. 1 minute for candle to close. Damn, the stop's gonna be a little bit big, a little bit bigger. But the 1 hour candle, we make a top wick and we rebroke the previous candle low. Once you rebroke this, man, we might push down heavy like this. So let's see. Yeah, we need the closure in the 15. That'll be a good body here, probably. Like this. It's good for me. Or like this. Yeah. All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, gang. Locking in. Locking in. No problem. We need a bottom wick. Damn, bro. We need bottom wick. Oh my god. We need a bottom wick. We need a bottom wick, bottom wick. Only no bottom wick. Boom. Ay, gold. Goldie. No bottom wick. Damn. I'm gonna practice my patience today, gang. No bottom wick, no Venom for me. So we need to sit. We need to say, be disciplined, be patient. Ooh, react. React. Mm-hmm. Bro, by any chance, do you use parallel channels sometimes or mostly phase retracement or support resistance? I use support and resistance and EYES. That called indicator EYES. This one. That's the indicator I use. Support and resistance, marking up support and resistance, and EYES. My eyes is my indicator. That's it. You can use that parallel pattern and Fibonacci retracement. You can use that. You can use that as long as it work for you. Yeah, you can use that because all is the strategy is really working. It depends on how you're gonna work with that strategy, right? So if that it's really working, Fibonacci is really working. Yeah, just hold that strategy. Because the important for me is how you gonna read the candles because we are we have a chart and we're reading the candles, right? We're reading the candles. Where's the price gonna headed? Because can you explain the rationale behind waiting for 15 minutes candle to close, especially when it has a long week versus a short week, like you're only watching? I notice most traders prefer to wait for 15 candle close before entering a trade. Yeah, it depends. I use 15 and 30 minutes like time frame. Right, 15 can be close special. So let's say if we're gonna use the 15, we need the structure. Let's say we're heading to the downside, low like this, right? So we know that we're heading to the downside now. We just show up in the stream. I just hop onto the chart and I see that there is a going down. The price is going down. Now we have our new retracement form, which is this. As you can see, we have a retracement, right? And then now, if I'm gonna look for sales, I need to wait for the candle to close with a good body like this to take a sell because I know that we're heading to the downside and we have a new resistance form. So for me, this candle, the next 15 minutes candle or 30 minutes candle is a valid for me to move down. This is going to be a tradable candle for me. So I need to wait for the candle to close a resistance form with a good body for me to enter a trade. That's I'm going to wait. And for you to learn more about price actions, the meaning of no bottom wick candle is if the candle closed without any bottom wick like this, so there is high chance that the next candle can move up heavy because no bottom wick closure means no range to move down. Means no range to move down, or it might close bearish doji like this, or high chance that we can move up like this. See, look at this, right? The candle closed without any bottom wick, and then the candle move up, right? So that's why I don't want to take trades when the candle has closed without any bottom wick or top wick. So yeah, that's the logic out there. And if the candle close with a small body, let's say we have a resistance form, and then the candle struggle to move down heavy, and then candle close with small body, it means with this candle will indicate you that the lower is getting the seller is getting lower because of the candle closure, because of the body is getting weaker, right? You need a candle that close with a good body and able for you to take and enter a sell, because once the candle close with a good body, now the volume is there, the seller is there. So yeah. hmm we can tell you the story. Yeah, true that. Good, be good. JRPRT. Mhm. Doo-doo. 4 minutes for candle to close. Ooh. Let's see. If we're gonna close like this, it's gonna be nice. Impulse. Impulse entry. Because the 30 minutes, once you rebroke this, gonna be a wick fail. A wick fail. Shout out to 20 viewers. Yeah, make sure you like the stream here. If you are new to the channel, subs to the channel, like the stream. Share it with your friends that want to learn how to trade. And if you guys are having a questions, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Do 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 do. Where are you from? I'm from the Philippines. Boom, 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 boom. Mhm. All right, 30 seconds. I'm gonna put sell stop here on the rebroke of the low. Sell stop. Because once you rebroke that, we might see some huge drop. But once you rebroke the high, I might delete the sell stop. Because that's the 30, yeah. 30 minutes low, and once we rebroke, we might see some wick fail. Early push. 4-hour flip. Damn. Let's see, chat. You're gonna move down. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Can we rebroke the low? All right, almost. Almost. All right, chat. I'm activated on cells here. Rebroke the lows. I might stop. I'm gonna use the current candle stops, and let's see. We're gonna move down. Yeah, once you flip bullish, I might manage my risks. Oh, nice. All right, chat. I'm closing for right here at 12 pips. Double is in the chat. Oh, that's a quick one, huh? Yeah, I close at 12. Oh, look. Should be 16 pips. Damn. That's a quick one. Pretty quick. All right, chat. What you got? What you got? Nice trade, gang. W. Do, 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 do. 12:30 p.m. W's in the chat. Let's go. 1 8 25 6 26. Holy, can we push heavy? Who's still holding the trade? Oh, damn. It's a massive move. Oh. W's in the chat, man. Keep pushing. Yeah, now you already know how the wick fill work. You already know, gang. Drop some W's in the chat. Let's go. W's in the chat. Spam some W's in the chat. I'm gonna make some stories today. Let's go, chat. Spam some W's in the chat. Let's go. All right, chat. W's in the chat. Oh, it should be 30 pips. Move down. But it's okay. It's okay. We got dubs. Ooh, first monthly W's. Would you look at that? Damn. In 2026, let's go. W's in the chat. All right, happy Thursday, everybody. As you can see, we got some trade here. We got some sells, and everyone got that. Right. This is the first W's in 2026. Let's go. W's in the chat. All right, happy Thursday, everybody. As you can see, we got some trade here. We got some sells, and everyone got that. Right. This is the first W's in 2026. Let's go. W's in the chat. got some trade here, we got some sales, and everyone got that, right? This is the first W's in 2026. Let's go. W's in the chat.
So we got about 1 month left and less than 80 spots left. If you want to meet Caesar in the flesh, rajabanks.events.
Damn. Oh, still pushing. Let's go. Should held the trade a little bit longer. Should held that a little bit longer. It's okay. It moved very quick. Mm-mm-mm-mm. All right, gang. I make cold stream here. Thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream. Gonna see you guys, and yeah, if you got the same trade, W's in the chat. Congratulations, everybody. See you guys, and I'm out here. W's all the way out, chat. Peace and love. See you, gang.
Serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes
close your eyelids. We were sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And ayy, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you were a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping
Whoa,
kids in the school.
yeah. I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today. Cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough